All right. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Good evening, guys. All right. Welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. Okay. So, if this is your first time of coming to across this YouTube channel, you are welcome. We are Brainybite tutorial. Okay. So, what we do in this channel is that we give you guys tips about schools. We also give you guys also teach you guys about anything that concerns Jamb, admission, and at the end we'll help you guys gain admission. So if you have been writing Jamb over the years and you don't have somebody to help you execute your admission processes, or someone that will help you facilitate your admission, or somebody that will help you gain admission, or somebody that can assist you, or somebody that can be of help, like someone that will direct you. So I want you to let me know in the comment section that you want to join us, you want to join our WhatsApp group, because we have our WhatsApp group for our 2024 registered UTME candidates. Okay, so that our WhatsApp group, we are going to teach you guys about Post-UTME in the group. So we're also going to be directing you guys on all the things you need to do concerning your admission, things that will help you and the things that will not help you during your admission processes. And we're also going to be giving you guys post-UTME past questions just for free. Okay, so we're also going to be giving you guys so many other things, all right, so that we will do for you guys. All right, so what you only do is to let me know in the comment section that you want to join us, and I'll be ready to give you my WhatsApp number. Then you message me on WhatsApp. I'll message you you message me on WhatsApp. Then after getting to know you, I'll add you on our WhatsApp group. Okay, so that is basically how it is. Okay, so if you check out our today's update, you find out that we have Imo State University as our topic of today. That simply means we are going to talk about Imo State University. Okay, so I believe I have also thought about so many other universities in the platform. If this one is not your state university, you can see. If this one is not the university of your choice, you can still check out for other updates for your universities. Okay, so after they just concluded Jamb UTME examination, some of my candidates came to ask me the next thing to do after Jamb UTME examination. Though I promised all my subscribers that I'll be giving them informations, or I'll be updating them, or I'll be answering all of these questions here on the WhatsApp page. All right, so I'll be on the YouTube channel. Okay, I'll be answering all of the information so that they will know. All right, so even people that is following us and the people that is not following us will actually follow the information. All right, so and will be updated. So that's basically what I responded to them. So today we are going to talk about Imo State University. So the next thing after Jamb UTME examination, the next thing that follows is post-UTME examination. So post-UTME, however, some schools doesn't write post-UTME. What they do is screening. Okay, so screening is what some schools does. All right, so yeah, that's basically what they do screening. So now, those school that does screening does not mean that you will not register for the exercise. Okay, you have to register for the exercise, and they will be the one to conduct their screening with your registered WAEC, with your WAEC and your JAM score. Right, so you register for the exam, and so they will be the one to conduct their screening. After their screening, they will now score you and give you your aggregate. So with that, you can know whether you have met the university admission criteria or not. So that's basically how it is. Okay, so that's how it is. So if you want to know, for now, currently the Imo State University post-UTME form is not out. So if you want to know when the post-UTME will be out, please message me on the let me know in the comment section that you want to join our WhatsApp group, because there in our WhatsApp group we have a lot of things we are doing. I give all the updates there in our WhatsApp group. All right, so you get all the information. So I will also update the information here on my YouTube page, because of some persons that doesn't have WhatsApp. All right, so that they can be able to get the information here on our YouTube page. Okay, so if you want to join us, let me know that you want to join us. So if you don't want to join us, I would advise you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then turn on all the bell notifications so that whenever I drop the updates, YouTube will notify you, then you'll be the first to check it out. All right, so that's how it is. Okay, so this will be ending this video. If you have anything you want me to do, you have anything that is bothering you at all, so you want me to help you to solve, have any problem, you have any question, you have anything that, as long as it concerns your admission, please don't hesitate to let me know, and I'll be there to answer all of your questions. All right, so I promise you that we'll have all of the questions or answers to any of your questions. All right, so that's basically how it is. So until I see you guys again in my next video, don't forget I love and cherish you guys. Okay, keep winning.